If you have damaged drywall in your home, here is an easy DIY fix using a California patch. Start by cutting a square opening not too larger than the damaged area. Some areas may or may not have plastic over the insulation. In some cases, there will be no insulation. Now take a piece of scrap drywall that is a couple inches larger than your rough opening. Holding the drywall up over the opening, draw 2 vertical lines incongruent with your cutout. Now do the same thing on the side of the cutout, drawing 2 horizontal lines. When you are done, you should have a tic-tac-toe pattern. Now, taking a razor carefully, score the lines drawn on the back of your drywall. Scoring twice if needed, then carefully pull down on the outside of the lines and remove the drywall from its paper facing. Done correctly, it will look something like this. Before continuing, make sure your cutout fits inside of your rough opening. Now, using some drywall compound, liberally apply mud to the surrounding areas of the cutout, including the lip inside of the rough opening. Now, place your drywall patch inside of the rough opening like a puzzle piece. Once your drywall patch is inserted, take a mudding knife and press out some of the mud behind the paper flap. Do this until the paper is smoothed out. Now apply compound to the entire surface of the patch and approximately 2 to 3 inches past the patch. This will allow you a better transition. Allowed to completely dry before sanding. You can either wet sand this with a microfiber cloth or sandpaper. Once sanded, you can apply your second coat. Apply up 3 coats or as needed. Make sure to sand down all of your edging before texturing. Always remember to prime drywall before painting. If you follow these steps carefully and take your time, you'll never know it was there. If you would like to see a tutorial on how to match orange pill texture, comment below this video.